Hello and welcome. My name is Konstantin Pavlidis, and together with Professor Amit Goswami, we've put together a very exciting course called Quantum Worldview. It's a series of 3 weekend workshops that will accelerate and transform the hidden potential of ourselves and society through the application of quantum principles in everyday life. Quantum Worldview is about seeing life through life's eyes and hearing through life's ears. We're all very busy in living our version of life, and that's just the way everybody is, because we've been programmed to see and understand according to our belief systems that have been passed down to us. We need to understand that there are many perspectives. Every human has a different perspective, so we're all busy running around trying to live our lives according to what we think is correct and what we've bought into, which forms the foundation of our belief systems. The quantum worldview helps us to understand how things really actually happen, and it gives us a deeper insight into the process of getting to know ourselves, getting a handle on what life is really all about, and then learning how to apply the principles that we learn from this unique perspective to achieve our true goals. We look forward to seeing you at the workshop, and in June it will be accompanied by a wonderful conference called Interconnection, where everyone that's involved in the health and self-development industry can join us to share new ideas, new perspectives, all based on the quantum worldview. We look forward to seeing you there.